Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to divide a whole column by a number in Excel without writing a formula. Here's my example. These values include VAT, which in the UK is 20%. To remove VAT, I need to divide each number by 1.2. Here's the quick method. Type 1.2 into a cell. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Select all the numbers you want to divide. On the Home tab, click the drop-down under Paste and choose Paste Special. In the dialog box, select Values, so your formatting is preserved, and then choose Divide. Click OK. Excel instantly divides the whole column by 1.2. Finally, update the column heading to something like Price excluding VAT. That's it, quick and formula-free. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tip useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.